There's a lot of snow out there. Alright, let's check on the cows. There we go. Hi, girls. Well, that means they're staying warm. Alright, they're ready for some water. You guys watch me do this 100 times. Okay. Alright, let's head over and turn the water on. If I can make it. Here's how deep this freaking snow is. That's pretty deep. And this wind sucks. Oh, I can't see anything. Alright. Yep. I can't see to get into the well house, so we're gonna have to shovel it out. Alright. I'll set you guys right here. There you go. I think I got enough snow if I can open the door. Alright, we got the girls' water. They're holding their preheat in pretty damn good, so it's a good thing. Alright, here's my path back to the buggy. Not so much it snowed since I've been up here. Just doing some chores. This stuff is crazy. This is crazy, the amount of snow we have gotten. The camera does no justice. I think we have like 16 inches of snow is what I heard last. And if you can't tell, I mean, it is still snowing out. Hi, sis. No snowballs. I have brother. Go ahead and get in the buggy. It's warm. Get in the buggy, Liv. Liv, can you get in the buggy for me? All right. And I was already in here and took care of these girls today. Hi, babies. Hi. Hi, babe. We have 2 valets coming. They will be here next week, so that's really exciting. Bottle calves are doing good. No longer bottle calves. Now they're just big calves, which we'll go get them some more water. Hi, girl. And I got chickens hanging out because they can't get to the chicken coop because of all the snow. here. Josh has his tape measure. He's gonna get us an exact answer on how much snow we have. Alright, the verdict is 18 inches of snow in that spot right there that has not been touched yet. That's crazy. Here's what our roads look like. Not the greatest. Alright, we made it to the farm where the steers are at. We're gonna go ahead and feed them. I just cannot believe how much snow is here. This is crazy. And we had to turn around and we got Mai. She wanted to come with us. Now we have, oh, sleeping girl! Alright, there I caught the snow. This is crazy how much snow there is. I know I keep saying that, but... Got JD with me. Girls are staying in the buggy, they said. They said they're tired of the snow. Okay, let's go. Ah, there's my trail from yesterday. I'm like, where the heck's my path at? Oh, goodness. Oh no, this. Okay. Alright, here's my path from yesterday. I mean, guys, look at this. This is crazy. I have no other words other than that. Okay. Alright. There's the door. There we go. Come on, girls. I don't know where my cows are. Yesterday, y'all saw me get water for them. I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. It's gonna be too much work to try and record it with the baby and both the girls in the buggy I gotta check on. So I'm gonna go get them water, and that'll be it for this video. Yeah, 18 inches of snow. That's pretty crazy. And the girls are coming in. Alright, got the girls' water. It's time to go home in my warm house and not worry about this crap until tomorrow.